Hey everyone, I'm Vadim. I'm a video tech specialist at Nagios, and today we'll be looking at exporting your Nagios Log Server data into another application for you to review. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So now that you have Nagios Log Server running and you've accumulated some logs, maybe it might be time to export some logs. What you want to do first is go to Dashboards. Just to make sure you're familiar with Nagios Log Server, you could always find some settings at the top, a text query below that, and if you have any dashlets, you could find that here. But you should see a tab called All Events. And here you could select different columns. For instance, if I wanted to add service type, you could add that in here. You could filter by each category. For instance, if you wanted to change the type from syslog to event log, you could search by event logs first, or vice versa. And now that you've sorted your logs, you want to click Export as CSV. This captures all these events down here. You could open this up using something like Microsoft Excel. After opening that file, you can make changes to the CSV to your liking. You could also filter by message and timestamps, as well as changing values for conditional formatting, or if you wanted to review your data and select specific points, you could do that as well. And now you've successfully exported data from your Nagios Log Server. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you have further questions, please visit support.nagios.com. I'll see you in the next one.